In this video, I am going to guide you on how to download the 13 Cabs app on your smartphone. Using the app makes booking a taxi faster, easier, and more convenient anytime you need a ride. Just follow these straightforward steps to get started. 1. Unlock your smartphone and go to the home screen. 2. Open the Google Play Store if you are using Android or the App Store if you are using iPhone. 3. Tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. 4. Type 13 cabs and tap the search icon. 5. Look for the official 13 cabs app in the search results. 6. Tap on the app to open its download page. 7. Press the install or get button to start downloading the app. 8. Wait for the installation to complete, then open the app to get started. Make sure you have a stable internet connection during the download. The app is free and safe for use. The app is free and safe to use for booking your rides anytime.